Welcome to Gentle English. If you want to speak English more naturally, you're in the right place. In this lesson, you'll improve your pronunciation, listening, fluency, and speaking confidence using the shadowing method. Here's how it works. First, listen carefully. Then, repeat exactly what you hear. Say, "I want to speak English fluently."
Now you repeat.
Don't worry if you make mistakes. Just keep speaking and enjoy the process. Practice every day and you'll notice your English becoming more natural and more confident. If you're ready, take a deep breath, speak out loud, and let's begin.
Today is a beautiful morning. Now you repeat. The sun is shining.
Today feels peaceful. I want to improve my English. I want to speak with confidence. I know it takes time, but I will never give up. Every day is a new chance to learn. Every small step is important. I believe in myself. I enjoy learning new words. I enjoy practicing every day. Learning English is not a race. I will keep moving forward. I will become better every day.
I want to clean my room every weekend.
I like to cook healthy meals. My family is very important to me. I enjoy spending time at home. My house is quiet and peaceful. I open the windows every morning. Fresh air makes me feel better. I like reading books before bed. I ask questions when I don't understand. My teacher is very kind. I enjoy working with my classmates. I finish my work on time. I always try my best. Hard work brings success. I love visiting new places. The beach is beautiful. The mountains are peaceful. Traveling helps me learn new things. I take many pictures. I meet friendly people. Every trip is an adventure. I enjoyed the journey. I want to travel around the world. I believe in myself. I can do this. I am getting better every day. Mistakes help me learn. I stay calm in difficult situations. I choose to be positive. I am grateful for today. I never give up. Small steps lead to big success. My future is bright. Life is full of surprises. I enjoy simple moments. Today feels different. I turn off my alarm. I brush my teeth carefully. I get dressed quickly. I prepare my breakfast. I leave the house on time. I enjoy the sunrise. The flowers are blooming. The trees move with the wind. I hear birds singing. The river flows quietly. The stars shine brightly. The moon looks beautiful tonight. The leaves fall slowly. The forest is peaceful. Nature makes me feel calm. I drink enough water every day. I eat fresh fruits. I exercise in the morning. I sleep for 8 hours. My body feels strong. I take care of my health. I feel refreshed today. A healthy lifestyle is important. I enjoy staying active. Every challenge helps me grow. I learn from every experience. Success takes patience. I stay focused on my goals. I believe good things will happen. My efforts will pay off. I become stronger every day. Thank you for practicing your English with me. Remember, speaking English becomes easier when you practice every single day. Don't worry about making mistakes. Every mistake is a step toward becoming a more confident English speaker. Keep listening, keep repeating, keep speaking. If you enjoyed this lesson and want more English shadowing practice, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new lesson. Thank you for watching. Take care, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next lesson.